Welcome to our literacy class. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to study about short A sounds. Do you know about A sound? Yes, A sound is ah. A sound is ah. Say with me. A sound is ah.
Say it with me. Uh, uh, uh.
This sound is known as short A sound. Words that have the short A sound. Repeat after me. Sad, mad, rat, lap, can, fan, man, pan, cap, map, bag, tap, dad. Could you hear the A sound in these words? Reading the words again. Are you ready? Cap, sad, mad, lap, rat, fan, can, cap, man, pan, map, tap, bag, dad. Super reading, everyone. Keep practicing. See you next time.